This episode, you'll see how AME students demonstrate their knowledge of biomes and animal adaptations by creating their own creature. Students were put in groups and given 2 biomes. They had to design a creature with features that would help them survive in both habitats.
Well, it's basically a modern dinosaur. It's warm-blooded. It's a lizard. It has flaps of skin between its arms and legs so it can fly. It has a prehensile tail. It can change color. It's really cool. Making a tail.
Students then created 2D and 3D models of their creatures. They even got to print out a version of it. Here are some of the finished models.
Basically, this is called the Tooth Fairy, and basically it lives in the desert and it also lives in grass.
Wetlands.
Wetlands. We built it on the 3D printer in Amy's office.
A adaptation of desert shrew and lynx from the taiga, and it's called a loo, and that's what it is.
Like, what does it have in it that help it survive?
What it does is it sheds. My team, made the bumps for fur, and then this other texture for when it sheds off its skin for hot weather.
They then presented a thing link of their creature to the class along with their model.
Uses the claws to climb up the cactus in the tree. I already talked about that. And it has sharp teeth that let it eat its prey, like the kangaroo rat in the desert.